it's Laura London from lauralondonfitness.com, and today I have a great upper body workout for you that you are gonna love. It's quick, it's efficient, and it is thebomb.com. All right, go grab a water, get 3-pound or 5-pound weights, and let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we are. I've got my 5-pound weights today, and we're using light weights. Usually I use heavier weights. You might want to start with 3, you might want to start with 5. We're calling this up the ladder upper body workout, and you will see why. We're going to start with, we're going to do 4 exercises, and we're going to run through them. First, we are going to be doing a bicep curl. We're just doing 5 of each of these exercises. Then we're going to do 10, 15, and 20. All right, so just follow along with me. Nice stand, slight bend in the knees, 5 bicep curls. 1, 2, full range all the way up, all the way down. 3, you got it. 4, 5. Okay, take those weights. We're going to do an upright shoulder row. It looks like this for 5. Here we go. 1, 2, elbows are nice and high. 3, looking good. 4 and 5. Beautiful. Now we're going to do a row. We're going to bend over a little, slight bend in our knee, and we're going to row our arms back, and they're staying really close to our sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, it's going to get harder. 4 and 5. Okay, last exercise are going to be for our triceps. So you're going to take those weights and we're going to push them back. Nice tiny pulses for 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. All right, starting again with the number 10. 10 bicep curls. 1, 2, 3. Building good strong guns. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I forgot to wish you guys Happy New Year. 9, Happy New Year. 10, beautiful. Upright rows, let's do it. 1, 2, give it a nice squeeze up there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Beautiful. We're going to do those rows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep rowing. 7, 8. These are for your back. 9 and 10. And then we're going to do our triceps. Here we go. 1. Keep them up there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Now we're going to go for 15. Here we go. Bicep curls. 1, 2, 3. And I'm kind of doing them angled out today. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep it going. 11, 12, are you feeling them? 13, awesome. 14 and 15. All right, we're going into those upright shoulder rows for 15. 1, 2, there goes my phone. 3, are you calling me? 4, don't they know we're working out? 5, 6, 7, 8, note to self. 9, 10, 11, 12, you got it. 13, don't stop, come on. 14 and 15. All right, we're going into those rows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep it going. 6, 7, arms are starting to get tired. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have our tricep kickbacks. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, tiny, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're almost at the top of that ladder. Last set for 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 more. 10, 9, 8. Work those biceps. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What comes next? 1. You're right. Upright rows. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Making sexy shoulders. 5. Sexy shoulders. 6, 7, 8. Getting tired there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Come on. 15. You got it. Don't stop. 16. Yes. 17. You can do it. 18, 19, and 20. Beautiful. 20 back rows. Last 20 here. 1. Really squeeze it when they're back here. 2. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13. I know the arms are getting tired. 14, 15, but we can do this together. 16, 17. Count with me. 18, 19, and 20. And you know it, our last 20 for this are triceps. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's finish strong. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to face you. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Woo! You did it. That was great. That was your up the ladder workout. You like how we started with 5, then 10, 15, and 20. If you need to adjust your weight, you can go lighter, you can go heavier. That is a great little circuit for you guys to throw in anytime during the day.